Have you ever lost a chance because you could not speak English at the right moment? Maybe you knew the answer. Maybe you had the idea, but your mouth did not open. If this has happened to you, comment yes. Today, I will tell you a simple English story. This is not only a story. This is also your speaking practice. Read the sentences on the screen. Listen carefully. Repeat after me, and speak out loud. His name was Aarav. Aarav was smart. He worked hard. He understood his job. He had good ideas. But he had one fear: English speaking. When someone asked him to speak in English, something strange happened. His mind became empty. His mouth became dry. His heart started beating fast, and his confidence disappeared. In his mind, he had full sentences, but from his mouth, only small words came out. Yes. Okay. I will check. Maybe. He was afraid of grammar mistakes, afraid of wrong pronunciation, afraid that people would laugh. One day, Aarav got a big chance. His manager said, "Tomorrow, the senior team will join our meeting. I want you to explain your project update." That night, he prepared everything. He checked his report. He wrote points in his notebook. He even practiced in his mind. He wanted to say, "The first part is completed. The second part is in progress. I found one issue, but I'm working on it." The sentences were clear in his mind, but he did not speak them out loud. He only practiced silently, and that was the mistake. The next day, the meeting started. His manager was there. The senior team was there. His teammates were there. Then his manager said, "Aarav, please explain your update." For 2 seconds, Aarav was silent. Then 5 seconds. Then 10 seconds. Everyone looked at him. He opened his mouth and said, "Actually, the work means I have done, but one issue actually." Then he stopped. He knew the work. He knew the answer, but he could not explain it. He lost his chance because he could not speak. Have you ever felt this? If yes, comment, "I understand this feeling." That night, Aarav searched. Why does my mouth stop when I speak English? He read one sentence that changed everything. Your brain may know English, but your mouth needs training. Your brain may know English, but your mouth needs training. He had trained his eyes to read English. He had trained his ears to understand English. But he had not trained his mouth to speak English. Speaking is not silent. Speaking needs voice. Speaking needs movement. Speaking needs courage. Speaking is not silent. Aarav decided to start again, but he did not make a big plan. He chose only 10 minutes every day. I will speak English for 10 minutes every day. Now write this sentence in the comments. I will speak English every day. The next morning, Aarav stood in front of a mirror. At first, he felt foolish. He laughed and said, "Why am I talking to a mirror?" But then he remembered the meeting. He remembered the silence. He remembered the chance he had lost. So he took a breath. He looked into the mirror and spoke slowly. "Good morning. My name is Aarav. I am learning English. I want to speak clearly. Good morning. My name is Aarav. I am learning English. I want to speak clearly. I want to speak confidently." The first day was not perfect. His voice was low. His pronunciation was not clear. He stopped many times. But he completed 10 minutes. The second day, he practiced again. The third day, again. The fourth day, again. Every day, he repeated simple sentences. I am working on it. I will check this. I need more time. Could you please explain this? I will get back to you. I'm working on it. I will check this. I need more time. Could you please explain this? I will get back to you. To speak English confidently, you do not need difficult English first. You need useful English first. Useful English first. After 1 week, Aarav tried a new exercise. He called it the 1-minute speaking rule. Every day, he chose one topic and spoke for 1 minute. One day, the topic was my morning routine. He said, I wake up early. I drink water. I check my messages. I get ready for work. I wake up early. I drink water. I check my messages. I get ready for work. Another day, the topic was my work update. He practiced clear office sentences before speaking in real meetings. I am currently working on the report. The first part is completed. The second part is in progress. I need some more time. I will share the final update soon. Every day, Aarav trained his mouth. Words came faster. Sentences became smoother. His fear became smaller. Not gone, but smaller. One afternoon, his teammate asked, Aarav, do we have any update? Earlier, Aarav would say, yes, I will check. But this time, he said, yes, I'm currently working on it. I have completed the first part. I will share the final update by evening. Comment ready if you are practicing with me. Now, let us practice this small conversation. Repeat after me. Do we have any update? Yes, I am currently working on it. I have completed the first part. I will share the final update by evening. Okay, thanks. You are welcome. After 2 weeks, Aarav started practicing before meetings. Before every meeting, he spoke 5 useful sentences out loud. I would like to add one point. Could you please clarify this? I agree with this point. I see it differently. I will share the update after the meeting. Now, he was not waiting for English. He was preparing English. That is a big difference. Do not wait for English. Prepare your English. 1 month later, another important meeting came. Same manager, same team, same type of question. His manager said, Aarav, can you explain your update? For a moment, Aarav remembered the old meeting. But this time, he took a slow breath and said, yes, I can explain. The first part has been completed. The second part is still in progress. He said, I found one issue, but I'm working on it. I will share the final report by tomorrow evening. Everyone understood him. His manager said, good update, Aarav. Thank you. Aarav smiled. He had not spoken perfect English, but he had spoken clear English. Clear English is enough. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. Now it is your turn. I will give you 5 confidence sentences. Speak them out loud. I can speak English slowly and clearly. I do not need perfect English to start speaking. I will train my mouth every day. Every sentence makes me better. I am ready to speak English. Now, let us do shadowing practice. Shadowing means you speak almost with me. Do not wait too long. Listen and speak. I am learning English every day. I am training my mouth to speak. I may make mistakes, but I will not stop. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. I can speak with confidence. Do not practice only in your mind. Speak out loud. If your mouth does not move, your speaking will not improve. Start with useful sentences. You do not need difficult words. You need sentences you can use every day. Speak slowly. Fast English is not the goal. Clear English is the goal. Clear English is the goal. Practice before real situations. Before a meeting, practice meeting sentences. Before an interview, practice interview sentences. Do not wait for confidence. Start speaking first. Confidence will follow. Now write one word in the comments. Speak. This will remind you to start today. Imagine someone asks you, can you introduce yourself? You can answer with simple, clear sentences. My name is... I am learning English. I want to speak clearly and confidently. I practice a little every day. I know I will improve with time. Now imagine your manager asks, can you share your update? You can answer like this. Yes, I can explain. I'm currently working on it. The first part is completed. The second part is in progress. I will share the final update soon. Your English will improve when you speak every day. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, 5 sentences next week. Aarav lost 1 chance because he stayed silent. But he did not stay silent forever. He started with 10 minutes. You can do the same. Practice simple sentences. Train your mouth. And one day, you will speak. If this story helped you, comment, "I will speak English every day." Also, tell me your English goal. Office, interview, daily conversation, or study? Follow English Fix Daily for simple English stories, speaking practice, office English, and common English mistakes. Save this video and practice again tomorrow. Your mouth will not become fluent by thinking. Your mouth will become fluent by speaking. So start today.